Strategy 3 is for anyone in advisory. So this took us a while to formulate a strategy that works as an agency for coach, consultants, accountants, people that are in businesses where there's a lot of competition and a lot of alternative choices out there that need a platform to be able to educate their potential clients and create a point of differentiation to show how they can solve their biggest problems, how they have the solutions that they're looking for. And the great thing is, you can do this completely free using the LinkedIn platform. So what you're looking to do here is a one-to-many scenario. So you can set up a Zoom, it could be a Google Hangout, a Teams on using Microsoft software. You might do it in person at your office or at a hotel, but you're going to have a room of 10, 20, 30, 40 prospective clients that aren't working with you yet. And you're going to go ahead and add value and get them some results in advance. And then at the end, offer an opportunity to apply or see how your paid solutions can help them further. And you can fill up these events using this strategy that I'm about to show you. So I'll duck over to LinkedIn and go through these steps. So if you go to the free LinkedIn platform, and you'll see down here events, there's a little plus sign. If you click on that, you can go ahead and set up your event in about 2 to 3 minutes and just put in the details, cover photo, whether it's online or in person. If it's online, you put in your link to your Zoom or your Hangout or your Teams. This is the most important step in the process. So you've got 75 characters to get a strong hook as to why someone will come and join you for this session. And that's how you want to frame it: session, training, workshop, seminar, training. I think I already said that. If you get this part right, you'll get a lot of people put their hand up and register to come along. If you get it wrong, you'll probably get crickets. So I'm going to give you a formula that we use, and this applies to all marketing. The headline or the subject line is always the most important part of the marketing process. So before you change anything else in marketing, this is where you start with the hook or the angle that you're using to get someone's attention. So X steps to X result in X time frame. You just need to substitute in to match your target clients and the results and time frames that you want to showcase something that you can deliver for them. So I've got a few examples here. 5 steps dentists can use to legally minimize tax in 2022. And I've done that deliberately. So let's say you're an accounting firm, you might use LinkedIn to focus on a particular type of business or person that you know you can get the best results for and really stand out. So you'd build your network full of dentists or dental business owners, and then you can run these educational sessions and customize the entire training just for them, which means you're going to have a much better chance of converting them over to your firm. So you can put in whatever type of clients you get the best results for: construction, legal, whatever it is. And that applies to any type of advisory business. The narrower you go, the easier it's going to be to pick up targeted clients. The wider you go, you probably get more people potentially showing up, but it will convert a lot lower. Another one, 3 exercises sales executives can use to shred fat in just 10 minutes a day. 7 strategies for investors to purchase under market value properties in 2022. 5 marketing tactics to fill your gym at capacity in 37 days. 3 strategies to add $50,000 in value to your property in 2 weeks. So you get the drift, just adapt it to apply and be the strongest possible hook in the shortest possible time frame for your target client. Once you set your event up, I'm going to show you how to fill it up with your target clients. So if we go over to the event that I just ran, and what you'll normally see here is an invite link. And what you can do is click invite, and it'll allow you to go through your entire network and invite anyone. You can filter down. So let's say I wanted to invite accountants. I go to the filters up the top and I go to industry accounting, and I can go through and select every single accountant in my network, click the blue invite button and invite them to come along to my event. The reason I can't do it right now is because the event's over. And so I can fill up this event for free and have prospects put their hand up and say, yes, I'm interested in the solutions and the information you have, and start to get a feel for who in my network is someone that we could potentially work with as a client. And if we go to manage attendees, you'll get a look at the metrics. So for this event that we just did that I forgot to hit record on, we invited 292 people on LinkedIn. And from that, 33 people attended, so roughly 10%. So 1 in 10 people that we invited to learn these LinkedIn marketing strategies have gone ahead and said, yes, I'd like to come. Every single one of these people that have put their hand up now, they've requested something from me. So I can now go to them and say, hey, here's the recording of this LinkedIn marketing training. So I'm going to them with something that they've asked for. I'm not going to them cold, saying, hey, you don't know me, but we run a LinkedIn marketing agency. Maybe we can help you get some clients. I'm saying, hey, here's a value added training that you've asked for. Would you like access to it? I'll flick it across. And it's a much nicer way as an advisor to build up a pipeline of potential clients or prospects that we can help with our services, and how you can do it as well without doing the cold, icky outreach to people that go, okay, red flags, I don't know you, why are you messaging me? So this is a real game changer. And if we have a look at a screenshot here, we did one in September last year, and I invited a lot more people from my network, and I think we had 70 people put their hand up just from LinkedIn alone to say they wanted to come to the event. So very powerful way to talk, as I said, to 10, 15, 20, 30 people at once, teach them some cool things just like you're learning right now about LinkedIn marketing, so you can see what we do, how we're different, how we separate ourselves from other people that offer marketing services, and then make up your own mind whether you feel what we do can help you or is a fit into the future, or just take what we show you and do it yourself. So people either get value for free and can go out and win that way, or they can engage you if they want it done for them. So really powerful strategy for advisors.